$2,000 down the drain. I mean, yes, this thing is really useful, but still. I really wanted to get it, that gun. Ugh. Is there like a way where I can edit my controls? Where's the controls button? Oh my god. There is no controls button. Wait, help. Maybe I could change them? That is no help at all. Ugh. That still sucks. That still sucks. Oh! Goodbye, my friend. Oh, I'm probably gonna die here. I'm gonna see if I can get through this series without dying. Let's try that. I'd probably just have to like cheat to do that. Ah! Nope. I sure love escalators. I'm just gonna waste a bomb. Yeah. I sure like wasting my bullets. I am positive that there was... I know I keep saying this all the time, but I think there was like another secret here. I keep forgetting one bomb doesn't kill him. Ah! I think there... Yeah, there's a secret over here. I think I could get like a bolt. A gold bolt. What's behind here? Oh! Yes! Ah, there is no gold bolt back here. Oh well, I don't care. Yes, now I'm at 2,500. Well, I will be. Eventually. Yeah, just watch. When I have to get on the train, there's like a $2,000 service fee. Alright, I can't destroy this because I think there's something up here. I think. Nothing? There's nothing up here? Oh, yeah, there's like another thing over there. But I think I might die if I go over there. Because there's like a whole bunch of enemies there. And I have not warmed up to these controls yet. No, this is like my first time playing this game within like... I don't think I've played this game within 2 years. But still, this is an awesome game. I love it. And now let's go on the train. Oh. Alright. Insert awesome music. Oh wait, they already did. Also, what I love is that it actually, like, moves with you around the map. Like, I never thought that they would actually do that. How the freak did that happen? There we go. Oh. God dang it. He died. Oh, man. I feel bad. Oh wait, there's my ship. There we go. Alright, well that was easy. Hey, you're so funny. Oh, I forgot about those. I have forgotten everything about this game. What now?
Greetings, Executive Chairman. Dispense with the pleasantries, Lieutenant. My sources tell me you're behind schedule. You must prepare this planet to be harvested for our new world.
Yes, sir. As you can see, everything is moving along as planned.
I'm counting on you, Lieutenant. And as your former commander can tell you, I don't take disappointment well.
Yes, sir. I won't fail.
I hope you do.
Drek is destroying yet another planet.
Yeah, but that's the kind of help he's getting.
I don't think we have anything to worry about.
Oh!
Not underestimate Chairman Drek. He is quite dangerous. We must find Captain Quark.
Look, our lieutenant doesn't seem so tough. Let's take him out ourselves.
Perhaps we can persuade the lieutenant to tell us where Drek is.
Now you're tough.
Alright. Oh! There's something over here. Never mind. Just a whole bunch of bolts. Well, I'm going to have to end this part of the video here. I have been recording for a long time, and so I'm going to have to stop this video and, you know, move all the things to my SD card. But before I do that, I think it's just time for me to commit suicide. I'm sorry, my friends. Psych. There's a gold bolt down here. I think you guys are expecting that. So, let's just get that. Yeah. I don't think that this is visible on camera. I think all you see is like a white blob. I'm sorry that my camera is like crap. Well, I mean, like, you know what I mean. I'm sorry that the resolution is terrible. This is like my only camera I have. My phone is a piece of junk. I can't record anything with that. I tried recording this. I tried recording this game before I started using my tablet, and my phone just reset out of nowhere. It is really annoying, and I can't use my real camera because there's no microphone on that. So, basically, I'm using my tablet, which I can trust. There's an enemy right there that I am concerned about. But before I go, what should I get?
I got some great bargains for you today.
What should I get?
That's a nice one.
I agree. Alright, I'm gonna have to have a random number generator. You know what? How about I flip a coin? I'm gonna flip a coin. I don't have a coin. How about I flip a memory card? The front side is the flamethrower. Flamethrower it is. As you can see. Alright.
So, you gonna buy something or what?
Don't badmouth me. Yeah, look at that hot gun. Get it? Oh yeah, look at it. Alright, so I'm gonna have to end this video here. I will see you guys in the next part. If I'm making a next part. I mean, I will, but you know what I mean. See ya. I'm gonna turn the subtitles on for ya. And now let's get to, you know.
Welcome to the Captain Quark Fitness Course. If you're strong enough, fast enough, and clever enough to beat my fitness challenge, you will receive a reward from my head trainer. Simply make your way to the third island to complete the course. Good luck. Quark Enterprises is not responsible for sprains, broken bones, snapped tendons, bruised egos, or accidental death incurred while taking the challenge.
Excuse me, Captain, but we have more pressing issues. We urgently need your assistance.
Clank,
Yes?
do you notice anything unusual about Captain Quark?
Well, I find the fact that he has a spring where his leg should be to be quite puzzling.
Come on.
And why do you think that is?
Possibly an injury incurred while battling evil?
This isn't the real Captain Quark, you numbskull. It's a robot.
Oh.
Wait, can I destroy? Like, I'm pretty sure you. Pretty sure you're able to destroy it. Okay, well, the thing is locked on, so I think you can destroy that. But I need like a bigger blast, so I'm gonna have to wait till I get a bigger weapon to come back. The only way this Ratchet and Clank series is going to end is when I get every single gold bolt, every single skill point, and complete every single story and level up everything. That is the only way that this series will possibly end. And heck, I still might show a few episodes after that. But when I do, like when the series does end, which will be a long time, I still have a few other games that I haven't tried out before. Although I don't have a wide selection of them. Well, now time to do this, which I absolutely hate. Oh, I nearly fell. Yeah, ooh, yeah, look at that railing. I know you guys are probably gonna be like watching this and making fun of me, like, oh my gosh, I can't believe you fell.
These moving walls also function as jump blocks. Jump, and jump again to kick off the walls in midair until you reach the top.
Yeah, that is what I was like showing you guys and like talking about. You can bounce off of walls. Oh no. Oh, I forget that I can fly up like that. Alrighty. Oh man. I thought that was gonna fall. Alrighty. Just give me the monies. Sweet.
Listen up, you loud balls. That was the most pathetic display I have ever seen on that obstacle course.
Okay, Helga.
We finished the circuit, ma'am.
Oh yeah, but it is weak. Weak. When I was competing, I would devour courses like that for breakfast.
But that's not all.
Oh.
Me, you would drill for the rest of the day. But somehow you managed to impress that fool Captain Quark.
Captain Quark knows about us?
He certainly does. And worst of all, he wants me to give you a prize for that ridiculous performance.
Sweet.
Oh, what is it? I'm supposed to give you a swing shot, so you can sway to and fro like little insects. All right, let's see. Not so fast. Today the two of you disgraced my obstacle course, so I am going to make you pay.
But that's
Jeez,
not
I really hate her.
That's not fair.
I know I might sound sexist, but I'm not. YouTube, please do not demonetize me for saying anything. I just hate how she, like, you know, she's in the other two games as well, and she is always like the jerk.
Quark uses stuff like this all the time. Ha! Real men can swing without silly toys like that. The two of you make me sick.
Gee.
Congratulations on your new Gadgetron slingshot. Use it on standard basic targets like the ones nearby. If the target is out of view, use the L1 button to aim.
Like this. And these ones, you can swing. Sweet. Just thank God I had enough bolts to be able to pay her off. I mean, that was another 1,000. Anyways, I am done with this world. I think I'm done. Yeah, I'm pretty, there's also, like, a secret right here, and I think there's, like, another secret, like, over here somewhere. But I'm not going to really worry about secrets right now. I just want to, like, get through the game, and then, like, when I complete it, then I'll worry about the secrets. Now, Outpost X11. Find skid marks and his agent. I just call him that. So. Alright. I know that a lot of you might be, like, saying, after, like, what are you talking about after you beat the game and all that? Well, like, when you complete any game in these series, you're able to replay the game, but all the enemies are harder. And so,